I think it rained last night. The weather today is very cold. I mean, nice to sleep. Day two of my stay in Shillong, and also one of the last days. You see, this is what Shillong is all about. Fog, mist, drowsy sky, yet beautiful. The place we're staying in, Nehu Guest House, is also very pretty. The surroundings, but this is what it's all about. So before reaching Jaintia Hills, we had to go through the city in order to be there actually. So in this way you even get a sneak peek of these famous places around the city. So now towards the left side of the screen you can see the golf course, the very famous Shillong golf course. Like 3 years ago this place had no barricades. It was like an open field. But post COVID the government decided to put barricades here, and I don't know why, but the authority must have their own reasons. But personally I feel this place do not feel the same like it used to when I was a kid or till 3 years ago. Nevertheless, we have reached Thanketi point, and in the left side again you can see the Edmund Rice Foundation, the famous Edmund's School and College of Shillong. Towards the left side, this whole area belongs to the Edmunds Foundation, and it's one of the most hustling and bustling area of the city. So gradually we moved on and we've come to the countryside, and this will lead us to our destination, Jaintia Hills, and then to the Fifi Falls. But let me tell you, the sky while on the way to the Fifi Falls, I don't know, I am this big time lover of the sky, and it looked so beautiful, like seriously, so beautiful. This is so pretty. This particular place was so beautiful. It made me feel like as if I was in a Studio Ghibli scene, and like I'm the real main character. So beautiful. And the valleys, this green valleys and this blue sky. Oh my god, it's a view to die for. Like it's the destination which does not count. The road, no, the journey is what counts, right? There's that saying. I think I must have jumbled up, but I literally felt that it was such a beautiful journey towards the Fifi Falls. In this entire video, I think you would see most of these valleys and this clear blue sky, which I'm a very big fan of, and I just wanted to show it out to you guys. Wow, it's simply wow. Well, anyway, we carried on. We didn't wait there for long because we were still so far away from Fifi Falls. In Krangsuri Falls, right? In Fifi Falls right now. Found myself souvenirs. Cute souvenirs. We're starting Fifi Falls now. We have to go by boat that way. This is the valley. Pato.
आप जितना कॉन्फिडेंट है हम लोग उतना ही डरा हुआ है।
उसमें सील लगा वो एम सील। और अंदर जाना है क्या?
So we boarded the बैठो।
And just how hesitant we were while getting in the boat, we were hesitant again while leaving the boat. Because there were holes in the boat, water was seeping in it. I mean, yes, we were doubtful, but nevertheless, we make it. And there's my friend again, very happy and excited. Because
It
the
was
entire
captured,
scene
Lonnie.
was resonating the Ghibli
It got
studios
captured,
so
yes.
much. We were like enthralled by it, like
Ghibli
literally.
feels this way.
If you don't know, do watch these Ghibli movies. You will understand. Totally.
Door.
And here my friends, they just wanted to get themselves captured while running.
There.
I get it done. Things we do for friendship, you know. And also for the vlog. So it was a long trek. It took us 45 minutes to actually reach Fifi Falls. And, but honestly, the whole way was so beautiful. So beautiful.
Yay!
And just like these two were running, I felt left out. I literally felt left out. So I asked my other friend, the fourth girl from the gang, to take charge of my camera while I secure my bag properly. And then I also run, like literally run. Of course, I have to run. Yeah, that's me.
Okay, so now we have a trek to the Fifi Falls, and the view is really nice. It truly gives you the Studio Ghibli vibes. Have a look. The views, I tell you. I never thought this would be such a pretty place. I thought it would be like any other tourist destination in Shillong, in Meghalaya, but really, it's really nice. These breathtaking views, I tell you. Studio Ghibli vibes. Do you see that valley there? It's so pretty. The trek guys, the trek. This is so pretty, so majestic. I'm not over this, guys. Now we have a very steep trek. Very steep. But the view again. It's a nice thing, and that is the waterfall. We'll just need to go this path, and we'll be there. That was the blue waters. Holy shit! This is so good.
I said I needed you, but baby that was never true. It's not personal, it's everything you put me
The feels, nothing can beat the feels. It's so nice. I love it. There's a water coming.
Might look a little dramatic, but it wasn't for me. I just wanted to be there. I just wanted to feel the water in my face, the sprinkles of the water. It was so cold, it was so calm, it was so nice. Like I told in the previous video, waterfalls actually helped me calm down, and Fifi Falls didn't disappoint. Rather, I was so happy being there. I think I would have missed a hell lot if I wouldn't have been there, but I think Destiny had this plan for us. We were supposed to go Pidem Falls, but we were not sure if it would be open or not, and that's how we landed up being in Fifi Falls. And gosh, the feels that day. Even now while I edit the video, I can feel the water in my face. The joy I felt back then, that day, I still feel it now. Oh god, this was such a good feeling, such a good experience.
Bye bye, Fifi Falls. We head back. The steep trek again. So we made it to the top, all drenched because it started raining. And although I have an umbrella, but there's no point because it was a steep trek again. But worth going. Come during winters, I think. Yeah, that would be apt because there's no rain. So at least you don't need to face the slippery slope. I don't know if you can spot the rainbow or not, but there's a rainbow there.
The beautiful views, the Studio Ghibli vibes, the falls, the trek, the getting wet in the rain, everything comes to a stop here. And with this, we now head back to our lodging place where the trip comes to an end. This trip was just a happy trip for us. 4 people enjoying each other's company, no filters, laughing weirdly, enjoying every bit of the journey, and then just hoping to have the next trip soon. And until then, I hope all of you do well. See you in the next vlog.